Magandang araw mga bata! Welcome to Teacher Marles Channel, kung saan maraming matututunan sa lesson na ating pag-aaralan. Our subject is Mathematics 6. The objective is to subtract decimals and mixed decimals through 10,000s without or with regrouping. Subtraction of decimal numbers. So these are the steps in subtracting decimals. First, you need to write the numbers in column and align the decimal point. Second, if necessary, write zeros in empty decimal place values so that numbers have same length or decimal places. Third, subtract starting from the right. Don't forget to put the decimal point between the whole number and the decimal parts. Let's have an example. What is the difference of 2 and 6,895 10,000s and 1 and 5 tenths? The first step is to write the decimal numbers in column. Align the decimal point. Dapat pantay ang mga numbers at ang decimal point ay naka-align. Second, you need to write zeros in empty decimal places. Sa lahat ng place values na walang katapat, maglalagay tayo ng zeros. 0, 0, and 0. The next step is to subtract the decimal numbers. 5 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the last step is to put the decimal point between the whole number and the decimal part. So the final answer is 1 and 1,895 10,000s. Second example, subtract 3 and 5,673 10,000s from 62 and 58 hundredths. First step, write the decimal numbers in column. You need to align the decimal point. 62 and 58 hundredths minus 3 and 5,673 10,000s. Nasa taas ang 62 kasi po ang nakalagay dito ay from. Magsusubtract tayo sa 62.58. So 62.58 will be the subtrahend and 3.5673 will be the minuend. The second step is to write zeros in empty decimal places. 0, 0, and 0. The next step is to subtract the decimal numbers. 0 minus 3 is cannot be. Manghihiram tayo sa katabi ng 0. Since ang katabi ng 0 sa left ay 0 ulit, sa next number tayo manghihiram. So, manghihiram tayo sa number 8. So, we will borrow 1 from number 8. So, 8 minus 1, magiging po siyang 7. Then, yung 0 katabi niya ay magiging 10. So, we will borrow again 1. Then, magiging po siyang number 9. And, yung 0 sa 1's place, magiging na pong 10. So, pwede na tayong mag-subtract. So, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 minus 3 cannot be. So, hindi tayo pwedeng magbawas ng 3 sa number 2 kasi mas maliit yung number 2. Kapag ganito na mas maliit ang subtrahend, kailangan nating mag-borrow sa katabi niya. Katabi saan? Sa left or sa right? Magbaborrow tayo doon po sa katabi niya sa left, which is number 6. So we will borrow 1 from 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then, yung 2, magiging na siyang 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Then, the final step is to put the decimal point. So, the final answer is 59 and 127 10,000. For the third example, find the difference between 25 and 2 10,000s and 14 and 8,942 10,000s. The first step is to write the decimal numbers in column and you need to align the decimal point. Since lahat sila ay merong kapantay sa bawat place value, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng 0. So the next step, we will subtract. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 minus 4 is cannot be. So magbaborrow tayo doon sa katabi niya sa left. So, since ang katabi niya sa left ay 0, dun po tayo sa susunod na number. Since ang katabi ulit ay 0 ulit, dun tayo sa susunod na number, which is number 5. So, we will borrow 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then, yung hiniram natin, mapupunta dito. So, magiging siyang number 10. Then, borrow 1, then magiging pong number 9. And then, magiging ng 10 yung 0 kanina na cannot be. So, we will subtract. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then, the last step is to put the decimal point. So, the difference is 10 and 1,060 10,000s. So, again, these are the steps in subtracting decimals. First step, you need to write the numbers in column and align the decimal point. Huwag na huwag kakalimutan na naka-align ang decimal point. Second step, if necessary, you will write zeros in empty decimal place value so that numbers have same length or decimal places. Third step, you need to subtract starting from the right. Don't forget to put the decimal point between the whole number and the decimal parts. So these are the steps in subtracting decimals. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope you learned how to subtract decimal numbers.